Alright, good morning. Today we are working on a Nintendo Switch that came in 2 days ago for no power. It wasn't coming on, and we inspected the charger port. Port looked good, so we took out the motherboard and we replaced a common faulty chip. That's this little chip right here. Okay. And after we replaced this chip, the Nintendo Switch started to charge, but you can't see nothing on the screen after it came on, but you can touch and you can hear it on. So I inspected it a little bit more, and then we found out there was no backlight. And we found a broken connector right here that we had to solder on from a donor board. We extracted it from a donor board. Wait, this is not it. Yep. We extracted it from here from a donor board. This is the old connector. After we replaced that part, we got it to come on and to charge and to function normally. Let me get this charger out of the way. Let's plug this charger up. Okay. And there we go. This side works and that side works. We already tested it, just showing you guys on the video. And it's ready. Just gotta reassemble it.